welcome to Fabulous Chef. So in today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious and healthy recipe, which is a red spinach poriyal. This is a South Indian recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So without further delay, let's get started and see how to make this delicious poriyal recipe. We need about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of urad dal, 1 large onion which is finely chopped, a few curry leaves, 1 green chili which is finely chopped, and quarter cup of grated coconut. Today I have taken about 1 bunch of red spinach. Let's wash the leaves and allow it to drain. Now let's chop the greens finely and keep it aside. Okay, now you can see that the ingredients for a delicious red spinach poriyal is ready. Let's get started and see how to make this recipe. Now let's take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now when the oil is nice and hot, let's add the mustard seeds and the urad dal. Let the mustard seeds splatter and the urad dal turn into a nice golden brown color. Now you can see that this is the color that we are looking for. At this stage, let's add the chopped onions. Now let's add the green chilies and the curry leaves. Now stir fry it till the onions become nice and opaque. At this stage, let's add the chopped spinach. Now let's mix everything together and stir fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Do not add water to the greens. Let's cook it in slow flame till all the water from the greens is well released. Now you can see that the greens has shrinked well and the water has released from the greens. Do you see the water? Now let's add about half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix and let's close the pan with the lid and allow the greens to cook in slow flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's check the greens. Now you can see that the spinach is cooked well. The water is all absorbed by the greens. Now at this stage, let's add the grated coconut. Mix everything thoroughly till it's nice and dry. So that's it friends, our delicious red spinach poriyal is ready. So that's it friends, a delicious and healthy recipe which is the red spinach poriyal is absolutely ready. So do try this delicious recipe and let me know your comments. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.